While editing your instance tree, you can press the D key or use the Delete Selected button to delete a selected instance. But take note that everything nested below that instance will be removed from the instance tree. At any time while editing, you can press the Escape key or double-click an empty space in the viewport to clear all current selections. You can toggle the animated rotation and adjust its speed and direction to observe how the assembly moves. You can change the external-internal selection at the top of the Pitch Curves panel to change what type of instance you are adding. You can also check the axle connection option to rigidly connect your new instance to the axle of the selected gear. You may find it more intuitive to enter an explicit relative angle and use the Add Gear button when adding axle-connected gears. As an advanced option, instances checked with the Shared option will share a common geometry between all similar instances. Similar means they use the same pitch curve, internal-external status, and, if they are arc or rack gears, the same repeat count. During tooth trimming, any adjustments to one shared instance will naturally apply to all similar shared instances. If unchecked, the newly added instance will be treated as distinct. Unless you are very sure, it is recommended you leave the Shared option checked. Too many distinct gears may make the trimming process very slow. Once you are happy with your instance tree, click Confirm. You may now click Begin Trim to trim all teeth in your assembly. When trimming is complete, you may determine that changes to your tooth parameters are necessary. Don't worry, you can safely return to Step 3 and make changes to your tooth parameters. Your instance tree will be remembered when you return.